Alright, you guys, welcome back to my Charlotte 29. Today, I got gunkster again because I told you I sold it previously. So this case is already fully complete. Name: gunkster, truck type, pickup, strength, unpredictability, crash attack, slideman, Sam. I think that's a new quote. I don't really remember the original. Yeah, I don't remember. Without further ado, let's go and open it. Okay, guys. Here it is. Let's have the way so you can see the truck. Put the light on it. Here it is, gunkster. I love how the tires are painted. And it has green bead locks, yellow rims, green roll cage, a green body. This is gunkster. Hot wheels on top. Pretty nice. Just look at that shine, everybody. Gunkster on the back. Hot wheels. Pretty cool. So this is what I only got this today. I want to go to another Walmart hopefully this week. And well, my Target has nothing whatsoever, but I'll try to go to another Walmart. Oh, by the way, the prices went down again. The Spin Master, just to let you know, guys, news for this one. Like, subscribe, comment, share more videos coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.